Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from Group 10. Now we are going to presentation our project about rainbow in a glass. Our member. My name is Hanina Hidayat.
And my Panjang Aulia Putri. And the theory in the experiment is used density theory. Density is a measure of how dense the mass of a substance or object. Density describes how much space an object or substance uses its volume in relation to the amount of matter in the object or substance, its mass.
The theory of frying oil. Oils are carboxylic derivatives of glycerol esters called glycerides. Most glycerides are triglycerides, which are when the OH groups of glycerol is esterified by fatty acids. So the products of hydrolysis of fats and oils are carboxylic acids and glycerol. Density of frying oil is 800 kilogram per meter cubic.
This soap as a washing agent is a surfactant property contained in it. Surfactants are molecules that have a polar group that like water, hydrophilic, and a non-polar group that is difficult to oil, hydrophobic. And density of this soap 1,200 kilogram per meter cubic.
The theory of water. Water is an essential compound for all forms of life. Each water molecule contains one oxygen and two hydrogen atoms required by covalent bonds. Water covers almost 71% of the Earth's surface. Density of water is 1,000 kilogram per meter cubic.
And the reaction, each substance has a different density when a substance with different density is placed in one container. The substance with the small density will be above the substance with the large density. So substance will not mix because they have different density.
The tools and materials, dish soaps, frying oil, colored water, glass, and spoon. The procedure: prepare tools and materials, then add the dish soap into the glass, then add the oil into the glass slowly using a spoon through the brim of the glass. Put colored water into the glass in a way like oil. The liquid in the glass will separate and form a rainbow.
And this is our video.
Hello everyone, we are from Group 10. Now we're going to make rainbow in a glass, so let's start it. First, prepare the tools and materials. Tablespoon, oil, colored water, dish soap, and empty glass. Then put the dish soap into the glass. Then put the oil into the glass slowly using a spoon through the rim of the glass. Put colored water into the glass slowly using a spoon through the rim of the glass too. The liquid in the glass will separate and form a rainbow. So here is the result.
And the experiment result. In the experiment, soap will be at the bottom followed by water and oil. That's because the density of soap is heavier than the density of water. And water will be under oil because the density of water is heavier than the density of oil. The substance that has a lighter density will be above the substance that has a heavier density.
The position, frying oil on the top, colored water in the middle, and then the soap at bottom.
The strength, the tools and material used in this experiment are easy to obtain. The experiment is easy to do. Weakness, the rainbow in the glass does last long, only about 10 minutes. When stirred rapidly, the solution will mix.
Suggestion for better experiment. This soap can be replaced with honey. 2. The whole solution can be replaced with a sugar solution with a different concentration. And 3. Use a transparent glass cup for better results.
And the last, the conclusion. Substance with lower density will float on top of substance with greater density. Rainbow in a glass can be formed due to difference in the density of the solution used.
And this is the references. Thank you for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.